Welcome to Faculty Development's How-To video tutorial. Throughout each month, we will target relevant LEO and technology tips to support your classroom. Please remember to refer to your departmental best practices anytime you have questions about your classroom, technology tools, and always consult with your program chair or faculty coordinator. Today's tutorial will focus on how to provide effective feedback using the Record Audio tool in LEO. The Record Audio tool allows both students and instructors to record and post audio files in LEO. Please refer to the How to Use the Record Audio tool in LEO for a refresher on using the tool. Feedback represents essential formative information to help students revise and improve their work. Using the Record Audio tool in LEO can enhance your feedback in your tone, detail, and personalization. We will think about 3 tips for providing effective feedback using the Record Audio tool in LEO. When relevant, address students by their name. Many students are on the go and take advantage of the ability to listen to an audio clip multiple times at their convenience. Speak with a positive tone. Often students enjoy the interactive element of audio feedback. It helps build rapport and demonstrates you care about the student's success. Be detailed and concise with feedback. Maximize your student attention with a targeted short recording. Ensure your audio file is inclusively accessible following ADA compliance. Refer to the Office of Accessibility Services to learn more. Remember to find Faculty Development on Engage, where we will include this tutorial along with all of our professional development resources to support your classroom success. Thank you for listening.